Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to find the registered country and location of any YouTube channel instantly. And the best part is, it's completely free. Before we jump into it, please hit the like button and subscribe. And definitely check the description for some helpful tools I've added for you. To get started, first open the YouTube channel country checker tool using the link I've added in the description box. Once the tool opens, simply paste a channel handle or full link into the YouTube channel handle and click the Find Channel Location button. The tool will immediately load your channel region info, displaying the channel avatar, name, subscribers, total videos, total views, and the registered country along with its ISO country code. Below that, under Location Details, you will see all the exact country, region code, and handle details. You can click the copy icon next to any specific item, or click Copy Data to copy all the location details at once.